Today on our program, we are going to learn how to make better than boxed pancakes. First up in the ingredients list is 1 whole egg. Go ahead and crack this ahead of time and then scramble it. In this recipe, the purpose of the egg is to act as a natural binder for all of your ingredients. Time to measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now in this short video clip, I'm going to show you the correct way to measure out flour. So I have my 1 cup, which is the red cup, and I'm using a smaller measuring cup, the green cup, to fill my 1 cup measuring cup. And what this will do is you will end up with the same amount of flour each time you measure out a cup, which should be 125 grams. You're going to take the back end of a butter knife and scrape off the top. This way you end up with the same standard measuring each time. Time to add in your additional ingredients. Go ahead and give everything a mix with a whisk before we add in our liquid ingredients. If you do not have a whisk, you can just use a fork. Time to add in our liquids. For the vanilla extract, if you find that real vanilla extract is too expensive, the imitation vanilla works just fine. At this point, you're going to want to mix everything together. I like to use a flat spatula, moving from the outside in, slowly incorporating everything together until there are no more lumps. A lot of people like to use a whisk. I do not, because I find that everything just gets stuck in the middle, but whatever your preference is. You can use a frying pan to make pancakes. However, I like to use my square griddle because I can fit more on. Heat your griddle over medium heat. You'll know it's ready when you sprinkle a few drops of water. If it bubbles around, heat is just right. By using cooking spray, this will prevent your pancakes from sticking. It's a good idea to do this in between each pancake. By using a dry measuring cup of 1/4, you will get the perfect size pancake each time. Pancakes will be ready to turn when they start to be a little bubbly on top, puffed, and dry around the edges. Go ahead and take a peek. That is one good-looking pancake. It's done when the bottom is slightly lighter than the top. And there you have it. Sprinkle some powdered sugar, add some maple syrup. Can't forget the butter. Enjoy your better than from a box pancake recipe.